You have record button here. See? I have record button this area. Hey everyone, today we're not doing boring spec sheets. We're putting two of the most popular vlogging camera right now, the Canon EOS R50 V and the Sony ZV-E10 II, into a real-world vlogging situation. Walking shots, talk and head, autofocus, low light, everything you want actually care about the creator. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your vlogging style. Before we continue, if you're into vlogging gear tests and a real-world camera comparison like this, I post content exactly like this regularly. So if you're trying to level up your videos and not waste money on the wrong gear, hit subscribe because what I share here is based on a real usage, not just specs. First test, walking and vlogging. With the Canon R50 V, the first thing I notice is how natural it feels in hand. It's lightweight, stable, and just comfortable to hold for long shots. Now, with the Sony ZV-E10 II, it feels a bit more compact and honestly, it's very easy to carry around the run and gun shooting. If you move a lot while vlogging, Sony feels slightly more reactive, but Canon feels very stable and predictable. But the real question, how do you feel while vlogging? For the Canon, comfortable, beginner-friendly feel. Sony, compact, agile, slightly more pro-creator vibe. Now, for talking head content, this is where most creators spend their time. The Canon R50 V gives me really pleasing skin tones straight out of the camera. I don't feel like I need heavy editing. On Sony, the look is a bit more neutral, which great if you like grading or customizing your colors later. So it comes down to the list, the Canon looks better faster, Sony gives you more control. With the autofocus, this is where things get interesting. Both cameras track my face well, but when I move around, the Sony feels a bit more aggressive and snappy with tracking. The Canon is very smooth and reliable. It doesn't hunt much, it just locks on and stays there. Now, in the low light, both camera handles indoor and evening shots pretty well, but you'll start to see difference in noise and overall look. Canon keeps that warm, clean look, while Sony tends to stay more neutral and detailed, especially if you're push exposure. If you vlog indoors a lot, both work, but lighting still matters more than the camera.
Pick up the telephone, give him a call. Greet the nighttime. Action split under the moonshine. Count the zero. Count the chance to be the heroes. Benji, pleased to meet ya. Wish I'd seen ya. Is this real? Tell me, how do you feel? Take a step with me. You're always welcome here. You're always welcome here.
Here's the thing most people won't tell you. The Canon feels like it's made for people who just want to pick up a camera and start creating immediately. The Sony feels like it creators who want more control, more flexibility, and don't mind tweaking settings. For simple breakdown, the Canon R50 V, easier to use, pleasing colors out of the camera, comfortable for long vlogs. For Sony ZV-E10 Mark II, faster than more responsive autofocus, more flexible settings, better for creators who like control. So which one you choose? Okay. So which one should you get? If you want something simple, reliable, and great straight out of the camera, go for Canon. If you want feel speed, flexibility, and more control over the footage, Sony might be your pick. Either way, both are solid vlogging cameras. It just depends on your style. If this video helped you to decide, hit the like, subscribe, and check out my other real-world camera tests. I break down gear the way creators actually use it.
Listen, the ultimate restoration.